Hello friends, welcome to Communication Skills for Everyone. In this channel, you are going to learn English language skills, personality development, vocabulary, and all-round development.
Good morning, everyone. And my topic is about teamwork. And teamwork, the ability to cooperate and communicate effectively with others to achieve common goals in a team. And benefits of teamwork is quick solution, improved production, distribution of workload, which is in heavy work. We can distribute the work with our teammates and diversity of ideas. Diversity means creating ideas and um, explaining the ideas with our teammates and better decisions. We can take the decisions better way with our ideas and motivation. We can motivate others to come forward and give their ideas and learning many things from others. And next, stages on team development. There are four stages: forming, storming, norming, and performing. First of all, forming. It is determining individual roles, develop trust and communication, and develop norms and tasks. It define the problems and strategy, and it identify the information which we can need. And coming to storming, storming is nothing but realize that the task is more difficult than they imaged, which we are imaged task is very difficult, and having fluctuations in attitude about changes of success and maybe resistance to tasks, have poor collaboration. And coming to norming and the teamwork and team roles and produces their roles in the team and their individuality of members, and coming to performing a better understanding of each other's strength and weakness and developed a close attachment to the team and coming commitment to shared goals with our teammates. And next, coming to communication within a team. What is the communication in the team and team management? And when the team doesn't work 99%, but out of 100 times, there is a communication between the team and it communicates with the teammates. And it effectively communication is a virtual part of any team. And coming to the secret of success in a teamwork is to their trust and accountability. Trust is nothing but trust is an essential to an effective team because it provides a sense of satisfaction. Essential is nothing but forming a knowledge sharing which we have, and accountability is nothing but keep the balance of work equal and fair. And teams should have clear methods in place of measurement the team success. Then only it will success the teamwork. And coming to what we have to do in communication, we should support group members and their ideas. And if any problem, we should talk with all team members. And first of all, we should listen and with an actively what the team member is saying and get involved. We should involve in that uh, particular situation and be proactive and then reactive. We should first listen and we should react what they are saying and give and take feedback. We should give and we should take the feedback with all our teammates and be open. We should be open and we should say our ideas to all our teammates. Have fun. We should have freely for our teammates. And coming to don'ts, which we should not do in the team, we should not blame others. We should not blame, and we should bragging is nothing but to speak too proudly about what we have done or what we have do, and being unprepared. You should very well prepared what you are talking in the team, and do not make others look bad. We should make look good what others are thinking, and don't cheat others and don't lie. We should not lie. And last, come together, sharing together, and working together. We should succeed together in a teamwork.